Previously on Sailing Doodles, we sailed 500 miles from Fiji to Vanuatu. In this episode, we check out some waterfalls before visiting a blue hole. Follow along on our journey as we sail 15,000 miles from Canada all the way to Thailand, and patrons get access to our live tracker. Today we are going on kind of a little road trip. A bunch of cruisers got together and we rented a van for the day. So we are going to waterfalls.
Sea turtles, babe.
Sea turtles, feeding sharks. Something else?
Blue Lagoon.
Blue Lagoon, there you go.
Boom.
So let's get going. This was our ride for the day. We paid $80 for the van and driver for all day. We brought along some candy to give out to the local kids as we drove through the villages. You're here. Thank you. Sweet.
Oh, that was so sweet. You put it in your hair, babe.
You put it in your hair.
Oh, don't forget this girl in the back.
She got one.
Oh, she got one.
Thank you.
Sailing piglets. I'll go catch one for you. And I'll feed it. I'll bathe it. I'll have it swim just like in the Bahamas. Yeah. I'll teach it tricks.
It could live in the extra bedroom.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do not encourage her. So what's going on with Sailing Doodles? I realize we haven't actually done, we do a lot of this in live chats. We'll like tell people what's going on, our future plans and all that, but we thought we'd put it on a video for the guys who don't necessarily watch the live chats.
Okay, so what are we doing?
So basically what we've started doing here now is we started doing 2 episodes a week, 2 regular episodes, and then we're starting a new series called Boat Tour Tuesday, where we basically pick out some cruisers that we've met along the way, and we do an interview with them, and then we take a tour of their boat. So if you haven't seen that one, it comes out on Tuesdays. We'll give you more updates in a moment, but for now it's time to head to the waterfalls. For those that are asking about the eye, thank you. If you've been paying attention to Instagram or Facebook and all that, you know that I had an eye problem. The firework exploded in my face. Couldn't see for a few days. You can see it's coming back. My vision is better. Still, it's getting better every day. And the
He can shave, but he's still missing spots.
This guy can't see very well. But anyway, so thank you so much for your concern. Went to the hospital multiple times. Thank you to our nice patron in Lubbock. You're awesome. He's an optometrist, gave me some great ideas and help and all that. Thank you so much. And but it should be coming back, should make a full recovery.
Yay! I'm happy.
Yeah. a lot of steps.
Seriously?
Can't breathe.
We don't exercise that much.
Yeah,
Living on a boat.
Living on a boat. It was a long hike to the top of the waterfalls, but well worth it as they were beautiful beyond our expectations. As far as the future of sailing Doodles goes, we're on our way to Thailand.
And we're gonna stay there?
Yeah, we're gonna stay in Thailand probably 6-7 months. We're gonna go around the Bay of Thailand, maybe over into Laos and Vietnam and all that, or maybe Cambodia and all that. Would be pretty cool.
I hope so.
So, and then after that, the plan is we're gonna buy, hopefully if we can, buy an Island Spirit catamaran and take it from Thailand, head west into the Mediterranean and all that. That'll be next year and all that. So, we got a lot of cool stuff coming for you, cool videos. So thank you so much, you guys. We couldn't make it.
Couldn't do it without you.
Couldn't. So, and we hope you enjoy the content. We're working as hard as we can to bring you good content too. Just what we need. Laura getting baby fever. We brought snacks and wine for the whole crew and had a great time. After the waterfalls, we headed to the turtle sanctuary.
Tortugas? Yeah. Tortugas? Yeah. Turtles? Yeah. It's done. Wow. Cool.
They're gonna eat you.
Nice.
They catch the babies and keep them for about a year and feed them until they get big enough to have a better chance to survive on their own.
That is so cool. Oh my gosh.
Don't let them bite their fingers.
No, on either side.
Hold on tight, Trent.
Don't smile.
Part of the cost of admission is a nice barbecue lunch. All right, cheers, guys. Cheers. Hey. There we go. Our last stop for the day was the Blue Hole.
Thank you. I can't wait.
What you got there?
Thank you. Aww. Can we put it in my hair? Uh-oh. Is it in there? All right.
I've got some competition, it seems.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Please click that like button and leave a comment down below.